Okay, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda HRV EXL with navigation. Okay, it's got 42,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, just one owner. It's misty green pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handle. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. Alright, driver's side of the HRV is in good shape. Alright, it does have the rear backup camera. Everything looks good here. Make our way down the passenger side. You got your lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle. You also have your blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Alright, exterior is in great shape. Once again, it's a certified 2017. It's got 42,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black leather seating. Alright, driver's seat's in great shape. Got the little perforated trim pieces here. Alright, does come with a keyless entry key fob. I'm going to dig that out for you here. There it is. Alright, passenger seat leather looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. Alright, I know it looks black right here now, but when you turn it on, it's going to light up with the digital display of the climate control, heated seats. We'll show you that in just a second. Okay, but it does have push button start. It's going to have your radio display right here with your blind spot monitoring camera and your backup camera. The navigation will also be displayed there. It does have your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And then right here it's got your econ button, and then your blind spot monitoring button, and we'll show you that in just a second. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 42,541 miles. Alright, now that we've got the vehicle started, let's go ahead and get you back to your home screen here. Alright, there's all your apps. We'll go ahead and activate the navigation. Alright, and let me dim that down. You can, when you turn the lights on, it dims it down. There you go. Alright, go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. And then your blind spot monitor controls. We'll just push that button there to the left of the steering wheel, and it gives you a visual display of your blind spot. Very nice safety features that Honda offers. Alright, we'll go ahead and check out the climate controls. Now you can see it's all lit up now that we've got it started. Got your climate controls here. Got your heated seats. Zoom in on that a little bit. Got your heated seats there. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look at the back seat. And then one more thing I wanted to show you here before we get out is the sunroof here. I know I showed you an outside view of that, but go ahead and show you that. Alright, door panels here look good. Go ahead and get this back up there. Alright, back seat leather's in great shape. Alright, it's got this seat down. Let's go ahead and flip this one back up. Back seat leather looks good. Carpet back here is in good shape. No problems there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Back seat carpet back here looks good. Got your storage, got your jack right here as well, and then got your spare tire there. Alright, plenty of storage room back here in these HRVs. Okay. And we'll go ahead and give you another shot from the passenger side here. I know that black leather, sometimes it's hard to see, but as you can see, back seat leather is in fantastic shape. The interior overall, this HRV is well taken care of. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We got 17-inch alloys. Okay, tires are in great shape. It's like a brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda HRV. Alright, it's got 42,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.